Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Fat Freezer is probably one of the most talked about innovations in non-invasive body contouring, promising a way to target stubborn fat pockets without surgery or downtime. And today we're diving deep to see if this popular device lives up to the hype and delivers the sculpted results it claims, making it a potential game changer for those looking to refine their silhouette and boost their confidence with a cutting-edge approach to fat reduction. Number 5. Hot Firming Lotion Sweat Enhancer. Elevate your fitness routine with our advanced sweat enhancer. It's designed to help you achieve better workout results, making every session more effective. This powerful cream is formulated to target areas like the stomach, helping with skin tightening. Achieve a smoother, more toned appearance. Combat the appearance of cellulite with our specialized formula. It works to firm and smooth your skin for a more confident feel. Experience an enhanced sweat response during your workouts. This helps to intensify your efforts and maximize calorie burn. Not only does it enhance your workout, but it also provides long-lasting moisture. Use it before or after your exercise for soothing hydration. It's the perfect companion for your fitness journey, aiding in both performance and skin conditioning. Get ready to see and feel the difference. What we like. This product is designed to boost your workout results by enhancing sweat and firming the skin. If you're looking for that extra edge during your fitness routine and want to achieve smoother-looking skin, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to maximize their efforts during exercise and enjoy a moisturizing post-workout feel. What people say. After only 1 week, I noticed a slimming of my thighs. The only difference was this hot cream. After about 3 weeks, there is an indisputable difference in all my problem areas. This new cream formulation does burn. It is so potent that as I'm putting it on, it makes my eyes water. It does work pretty good. On my first purchase and using it a few times, probably no more than a week in, I saw physical changes. The first change was little divots where cellulite had melted away. Number 4. M3 Firming Body Massage Oil. Introducing our Firming Body Massage Oil, a luxurious blend designed to rejuvenate your skin. Experience a smoother, more refined skin texture with every application. Infused with potent collagen and stem cell extracts, this oil works to visibly smooth the appearance of cellulite. It's your secret weapon for firmer-looking skin. Tired of uneven skin texture? This refreshing aromatherapy oil helps to improve the overall look and feel of your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Indulge your senses with its refreshing aromatherapy. The invigorating scent transforms your massage into a spa-like experience, promoting relaxation. Perfect for targeting concerns on your legs or for a full-body treatment. Enjoy the benefits of firmer, smoother skin all over. This generous 8 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty to enjoy. Discover the difference it can make for your skin's firmness and texture. What we like. Experience a luxurious body treatment with this firming massage oil. If you're seeking to smooth the appearance of cellulite and improve overall skin texture while enjoying a calming aromatherapy experience, this oil is for you. It's perfect for a full-body massage that nourishes the skin and uplifts the senses. What people say. No bumpy fatty balls under my skin. It leaves my legs so smooth and soft the next day. Goes on oily, dries not oily, and smells so good. Cellulite is less noticeable, my skin is looking firm. Hydrates, firms and tones your skin. Clean and great mix of oils. Smells citrus and lavender. The smell is light and disappears quickly. Absorbs well and best used out of shower as stated. Number 3. Scala Silicone Cellulite Massager. Tired of cellulite? Discover a revolutionary way to smooth your skin. This tool is designed to target those stubborn areas effectively. Elevate your daily shower into a spa-like experience. It's perfect for use with your favorite creams and oils, enhancing their absorption. Achieve smoother, softer skin with its gentle exfoliating action. It helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing a healthier complexion. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver. Enjoy a relaxing massage while you cleanse. Crafted from high-quality silicone, it's built to last. Cleaning is a breeze, ensuring hygiene and longevity. Incorporate this massager into your routine to promote firmer-looking skin. It's your partner in achieving a smoother silhouette. What we like. This is a fantastic tool for targeted cellulite treatment. If you enjoy manual body manipulation and want to enhance the effectiveness of your favorite creams and oils, this massager is an excellent addition to your routine. It's ideal for those who like a hands-on approach to improving skin appearance and texture. What people say. The knot was gone by the third day. I now use it on my legs to help with tight muscles. You can use it in the shower with soap or body wash too. Highly recommend, and it will be easy to travel with. It's easy to hold and use, and I feel like it is breaking down my cellulite, smoothing out my legs. It leaves a pleasant tingly feeling in your skin after you use it that makes up for the initial discomfort. I also used it to massage the tension in my shoulders, back of neck, and it is an excellent tool for that as well, even though it is marketed as a cellulite massager. It is easy to keep a grip on, and it doesn't strain your hands holding it in place like some other self-massage tools I've used in the past. Number 2. Native Pet Bone Broth for Dogs and Cats. Tired of your furry friend turning their nose up at mealtime? Our savory broth transforms dry kibble into an irresistible feast, perfect for even the pickiest eaters. It's the ideal way to make every meal exciting. Ensure your pet stays refreshed and vibrant throughout the day. This nourishing broth not only aids hydration but also naturally supports their energy levels. Keep them active and full of life with every serving. Packed with essential collagen, our formula promotes strong joints and healthy mobility, especially for active or senior pets. It also contributes to a healthier skin condition, making them feel as good as they look. Crafted with just 2 simple, organic ingredients, our broth is free from fillers and artificial additives. This vet-developed formula provides wholesome nutrition and works wonderfully as a natural food topper. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and effortless serving with our convenient powder. It's designed for simple use at every meal, ensuring your pet receives the nutrients they love without any fuss. We pride ourselves on using only human-grade ingredients, made right here in the USA. This ensures the highest standards of nutrition and safety in every scoop for your beloved companion. Adding essential nourishment to your pet's diet has never been easier. Simply sprinkle it on their food or mix with water to create a delicious meal that picky eaters will adore. What we like. This product is a game changer for pet owners, especially those with picky eaters. If your furry friend needs an extra hydration boost, improved energy levels, or support for their joints, this bone broth is the perfect solution. It's ideal for adding irresistible flavor to dry food and ensuring your pet gets essential nutrients. What people say. It made her food smell great, and Daisy happily finished every meal. I specifically chose this brand because it is a single-ingredient bone broth. It contains glycine, which supports gut lining repair, and has no harmful additives. The sturdy metal tin is unique. It has a dedicated tray below the lid to hold the scoop, which keeps it from getting buried in the powder, a detail I haven't seen before. Number 1. SOUSVIDE Sous Vide Cooker Kit. Experience chef-quality meals right at home. This immersion circulator ensures consistent, even cooking, locking in flavor, nutrients, and tenderness every time. Get everything you need to start cooking delicious, restaurant-quality meals. This complete kit includes the cooker, bags, pump, and a cookbook. Achieve perfectly cooked food with ease. The user-friendly LED touch panel allows you to set accurate time and temperature for steaks, chicken, vegetables, and more. Keep your kitchen clean and tidy. The removable tube is easy to clean, it operates quietly, and it stores effortlessly in drawers, saving counter space. Enjoy healthier meals without extra oils. It retains more nutrients, allowing you to create endless dishes from tender steaks to juicy vegetables effortlessly. What we like. Achieve restaurant-quality meals at home with this Sous Vide Cooker Kit. If you're a beginner looking to explore precision cooking or a home chef wanting consistent, tender results, this complete set is for you. It's ideal for anyone who loves healthy, flavorful meals without the fuss. What people say. Made the most amazing ribeyes. Recommended purchase. 10/10. The Sous Vide gets the water up to temp very quickly. So quickly, in fact, that I was surprised. Tender and uniformly cooked throughout the entire steak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.